Ever wondered about the brains behind the privacy-focused cryptocurrency, Beam Wallet? It's a question that sparks curiosity, especially in a world increasingly concerned about digital footprints. Unlike some cryptocurrencies with pseudonymous creators, Beam has a more transparent origin story. To truly understand who created Beam, we need to rewind a bit to the burgeoning days of blockchain innovation. The core technology underpinning Beam is Mimblewimble, a groundbreaking protocol that offers enhanced privacy and scalability. This protocol, first proposed in 2016 by a cryptographer using the pseudonym Tom Elvis Jeducer, a nod to the French name of Voldemort from Harry Potter, laid the foundation for privacy-centric cryptocurrencies. While Tom Elvis Jeducer conceptualized Mimblewimble, the task of bringing a user-friendly cryptocurrency built on this technology fell to a dedicated team. In early 2018, the Beam project officially launched. At the helm of this endeavor was Alexander Chepernoy, also known as Alex Romanoff. He co-founded Beam and served as its CEO during its initial and crucial development phases. Chepernoy isn't a newcomer to the tech world. He has a strong background in cybersecurity and blockchain technology, bringing a wealth of experience to the project. His vision was to create a cryptocurrency that was not only private and scalable but also user-friendly and accessible to a wider audience. Alongside Chepernoy, several other key individuals played pivotal roles in Beam's creation and early growth. Guy Coram, for instance, served as an advisor and contributed significantly to the project's strategic direction. The core development team comprised talented engineers and cryptographers who worked tirelessly to translate the theoretical advantages of Mimblewimble into a practical and robust cryptocurrency. It's important to note that while Chepernoy was the public face and driving force behind Beam's inception, the project's success is a testament to the collaborative efforts of a dedicated team. From the initial coding to community building and ongoing development, numerous individuals have contributed their expertise and passion to the Beam ecosystem. Over time, the Beam project has evolved, transitioning into a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. This move towards decentralization reflects the broader ethos of the cryptocurrency space, aiming to distribute control and foster community ownership. While the early leadership, particularly Alexander Chepernoy, was instrumental in Beam's creation, the project's future trajectory is now shaped by its community and the Beam DAO. So, while we can pinpoint Alexander Chepernoy as the co-founder and initial driving force behind Beam Wallet, it's crucial to recognize that the creation and ongoing development of this privacy-focused cryptocurrency is a story of teamwork, innovation, and a shared vision for a more private digital future. The foundation laid by the early team continues to support Beam's growth and its mission to empower individuals with control over their financial data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.